Hi there and welcome to another video. Welcome to another lecture where I'm going to be showing you method number 1 to getting your channel approved for monetization. You know, how to get 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers with only one video. So this is actually a case study on how I did it last week, how I created one video that went viral and that got me 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. And it took me literally 2 minutes to create that video. Okay, around 10 minutes, but the video is, as you can see, 2 minutes long video. Now, as you can see, the title of this video is Amazon Rainforest Fire Animals Compilation. Now, how I did this is I would actually find something that is currently going viral, you know. Amazon Rainforest was really people were stressing out about that, like a lot of people were stressing out about that, and there were a lot of searches that month for Amazon Rainforest Fire. So I took advantage of that. I created a 2 minutes long video. I created a 2 minutes long compilation of just images of some animals. I created that real quick. I'm going to show you in some of the next lectures how you can actually create that video, how you can optimize it well and stuff like that. So this video is just to show you the case study on how you can actually get on how you can actually monetize your channel with only one video. But in some of the next modules, in some of the next lectures, I'm going to show you in the fourth module, I'm going to show you how to find a viral video, how to get the video done for free, you know, how to create it for absolutely free. And then I'm going to show you easy way. I'm also going to show you an easy way to create those videos. I'm going to show you how to optimize it well, how to come up with the title, the headline, the description, the tags, and all of that that is really important to getting a video go viral. So as you can see, this video got me a lot of watch time. It got me over 1,000 subscribers, and it got my channel approved for monetization. As you can see, congratulations, your channel has been approved for monetization, and that is all because of this one and only video. And you just need to find something that is currently going viral. Like, as I said, is Amazon Rainforest was going viral, then I created a video about it, and it got over 100,000 views in 7 days or less. What was going viral? Area 51 raid was going viral. You could have created a video on that, and that would get tons of views. Or the PewDiePie versus T series was going viral. You could have created a video about that and stuff like that. You know, every single month there is something that is massive, that is viral. So you can just jump in the first week, create a video, and just collect the profits. You know, over 100,000 views, over 100,000 watch time, 1,000 subscribers, and as you can see, since it got monetized, I just got monetized, so it's only $0.003, but it doesn't matter because I won't be collecting ad revenue from this channel. I won't be posting any channels in the future, any videos on this channel in the future, because I will now just be able to build this channel and then sell it for like a few $1,000s. So this is a brand new channel. This is not Online Hustle channel. This is a brand new channel that I have created that had 0 subscribers, 0 views, 0 comments, 0 anything. And I just created this video. I got 1,000 subscribers. I got 4,000 hours of watch time, and I got my channel approved for monetization. Now that's how you can. That's how you can get your channel monetized. This is the method number 1 to get your channel monetized with only one video. So find something viral. I'm going to show you how to find something viral, how to get a video done for free. So all of that in some of the next modules, in some of the next lectures. So basically that's it. Let me now show you the method number 2 to getting your channel approved for monetization. Method number 2 to getting 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time.